Hello, I'm Dr. Rhonda Johnson. It's Thursday, May 15th, 2025. I recently recorded a video on the genetics of red hair, and it has generated so many interesting comments, and people are sharing their stories of their variations of hair color, eye color, skin color, beard color, all kinds of combinations, which brings me to the topic of variation, meaning in this context, the individuals of a species. We are not all exactly the same. See, human beings, yes, that's all of us living people, are Homo sapiens, the species to which all modern human beings belong. Humans, we may look different on the outside, our skin color, our hair texture, our eye shape, and our eye color, but we belong to one race, the human race. And underneath it all, we share 99.9% of the same DNA, and it is that tiny 0.1% genetic difference that gives us our beautiful diversity. But what about race? Aren't we all racially different, you may want to ask? Well, here's the science. Race is not a biological fact. It's a social idea. It was created through history, politics, and systems of power, and used to divide, define, and often dehumanize, especially in the last 500 years, through forced migration and colonization. See, Western societies assign race based on physical features like skin color, eye folds, and nose shapes, and those categories were used to make sweeping, harmful assumptions about whole groups of people. But this is the genetic truth. Two people in the same so-called race might be more genetically different than from someone in another group. Think about this also. There is more genetic diversity within Africa than anywhere else on Earth. Now, human beings have always been mixing, moving, meeting, and connecting for tens of thousands of years, from ancient migrations out of Africa to the forced migrations of slavery, to today's global cities. Our human genes have never stayed in one place. And all of this mixing gives us something powerful. It's called variation. Variation is the fuel of evolution. It is what allows our species to adapt, thrive, and survive. In fact, the more diverse we are, the stronger we become in terms of human evolution. See, human connection is old, and race is a story we were told. Our shared humanity is the truth, and that diversity, those small genetic differences, that's how we survive. Variation gives us strength. It fuels evolution. It's why we're still here. We are one human family, diverse, resilient, and deeply connected. We may come from many places, and we may have different stories and different languages, but we are not separate species. We share 99.9% of our DNA, and we're more connected through technology today than ever. That's my message today. Please leave a comment if you would like to. And folks, aren't you glad that you belong to the human race and that species of Homo sapiens? Take care.